What if the reason your homemade pizza has a soggy, limp crust has nothing to do with your dough recipe, and everything to do with the slab you're baking it on? I turned my kitchen into a pizzeria, baking pie after pie on every type of stone, steel, and ceramic disc I could find. The failures were disastrous: cracks, spills, and crusts that never crisped. But the 5 materials that earned a permanent place in my oven? The one at number 3 can survive a thermal shock that would shatter others. And the 2026 champion we crown number 1? It doesn't just bake pizza, it creates a crust with a crunch and char that will make you cancel your delivery app for good. Starting at number 1. Round Pizza Stone Set. The 5 PCS Round Pizza Stone Set includes a 13-inch round pizza stone made of all-natural FDA-safe Cordierite stone, an OAK solid wood pizza paddle, a 13-serving rack, a large steel pizza cutter, and 10 PCS cooking paper for free. The pizza stone is heat-safe up to 1472 degrees F, 800 degrees Celsius, and distributes heat evenly for optimal cooking. The set is perfect for baking fresh or frozen pizzas, flatbread, sourdough, scones, reheating leftover pizza without soggy dough or burnt spots, biscuits, and more. The set is easy to clean and also makes a great gift for pizza lovers. Number 2. Home Complete Cast Iron Pizza Pan. This Home Complete Cast Iron Pizza Pan is a durable and versatile kitchen cookware that can be used for cooking, baking, grilling, or even over a campfire flame. Made from sturdy and durable cast iron, it can last for many years. Its 14-inch skillet is versatile, perfect for cooking a variety of foods from pizza to eggs, bacon, cornbread, biscuits, pancakes, crepes, fajitas, burgers, and more. It is an excellent gift for foodie friends and family, suitable for any occasion. Number 3. Honey Can Do Pizza Stone. The Honey Can Do Pizza Stone, 16 inches, perfect for making restaurant-quality pizzas, bread, pastries, and vegetables. Crafted from a blend of lead-free clays, it's durable and non-cracking. The stone absorbs oven heat and transfers it evenly, providing you with perfectly cooked food every time. It is recommended for up to 500 degrees in a standard home oven and should not be cleaned with soap. Number 4. Lodge Cast Iron Pizza Pan. The 15-inch cast iron pizza pan by Lodge is perfect for baking traditional large 14-inch pizza crusts. The rimless design allows for edge-to-edge baking and easy slicing. The dual-handle design makes it easy to lift and serve your pizza. The cast iron material provides unparalleled heat retention and even heating, ensuring your pizza is cooked to perfection. This pan is seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, making it ready to use right out of the box. Made in the USA. Number 5. GoodCook AirPerfect Pizza Pan. The GoodCook AirPerfect 15.75-inch insulated nonstick carbon steel pizza pan is designed with a perforated edge and even heating technology to reduce moisture and ensure a perfectly crispy crust when making homemade pizza. Its nonstick coating provides excellent release, allowing for cleanup to be quick and easy. The pan is also made of durable carbon steel, which resists warping to provide a high-quality baking experience. Customers appreciate its large size, insulated design, and nonstick surface, making it a great investment for any home chef. Ready to achieve that perfect, blistered crust? Every baking surface that transformed my homemade pizza, from the classic workhorse to the innovative newcomer, is linked for you in the description below. I've also included the peels and tools I use. If this dough deep dive saved your pizza night, help the channel rise, give us a like, share this with your pizza-loving crew, and subscribe with the bell on.